Alright y'all, so it's currently the next day. You guys saw a clip of me putting my table together. Just in case I didn't mention, I got this table from Wayfair for $160. It's a glass table. I am thinking about adding 1 or 2 accessories on top of my table. The next project is to mount my TV, but that won't be until I get back from vacation. So in my last video, I talked about the paint by number kit. This is how it's looking right now. It's supposed to look like this. Do not pay attention to my bath mats. I just washed them and I need to clean my bathroom before I put them in their place. But my homegirl told me about this paint by number, and honestly speaking, y'all, I spent at least 30 minutes to an hour painting. Since I got it. No, that's a lie, because I didn't paint Saturday or Sunday. But all last week, besides the weekend, I painted for 30 minutes to an hour. And it's very, like I stated, it's very relaxing. It clears your mind. Whatever you're focusing or thinking about or stressing about, it's pretty much gonna clear your mind. So thanks to my homegirl, she put me up on this. And just in case you guys did not watch my previous video, this is another addition that I added. Make good use of today. I'm really feeling it. And then over here, I am planning on organizing my pantry. So I got these canisters from, well, I got this from the Container Store, Bed Bath & Beyond, and again, I got these from Amazon. So I just need I already cleaned those. So I just need to clean this set and just put my stuff away. On that note, let's get to cleaning. I don't want to clean, but I have to clean. I don't want to, but I have to. So we're gonna get to cleaning. So question, how many of you guys have a lazy day where you start cleaning, but you don't want to finish it? You just want to chill and relax? Comment down below and tell me your struggle when it's time to clean. Normally, I don't have any issues or problem cleaning my place, but I just wasn't feeling it today, and I think it's okay. Should just do the bare minimum, you know?